Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Y12 Mortgage account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in y12fcu.org/mortgage. You will then be taken into the official mortgage website for Y12 Mortgage. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then underneath account type, make sure to choose the mortgage option. You can then click on the login button and you will be taken into the login portal for your mortgage. Now type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Y12 mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or username, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password option underneath, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Y12 mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.